how much should you actually spend on a rice cooker? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Aroma Digital Rice Cooker. The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker caught my eye with its sleek stainless steel design and the promise of perfectly fluffy rice. It's positioned as an affordable option, making it enticing for anyone looking for a simple solution. If you want consistent results without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Aroma can prepare 2 to 8 cups of rice, which is perfect for small families or meal prepping. It features easy-to-use programmable digital controls and an automatic keep warm mode, so you can set it and forget it. The sensor logic technology is a nice touch, automatically adjusting the cooking temperature for optimal texture and flavor. And with over 10,000 units sold last month, it's clear that people trust this product. Now, some people complained about the hand wash requirement for the inner pot. Here's the thing though, while it can be a hassle, many users find that the non-stick surface makes cleaning pretty straightforward despite that. This is perfect for you if you're new to cooking or want a hassle-free way to make rice or steam veggies. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can cook a wide variety of dishes, as this one is pretty focused on rice. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility and ease of use.
Product number 2, Kasori Rice Cooker. The Kasori Rice Cooker stands out with its 18 functions and a stylish design. At around $83, it's a bit pricier, but those features really caught my attention. If you want a rice cooker that does it all, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The fuzzy logic technology ensures that your rice is cooked perfectly every time by automatically adjusting the cooking process. You can choose from different types of rice, grains, and even cook soups or sauté dishes. Plus, it has a quick cooking feature that cooks white rice faster without sacrificing quality. With a capacity of up to 10 cups, it's great for families or gatherings, and over 7,000 units sold last month shows it's a popular choice. Now, some reviewers mention that the interface can be a bit confusing at first. Here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the variety of options it offers makes it worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting in the kitchen and want a rice cooker that can handle more than just rice. Skip this if you're looking for a basic cooker without all the bells and whistles, as this one does have a learning curve. Now, if the price of the Kasori bothered you, the next one is a budget-friendly alternative that still packs a punch.
Product number 3, Green Life Rice Cooker. The Green Life Rice Cooker is a compact and cute option priced at just $25.97. Its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick pot really caught my eye. If you want a budget-friendly rice cooker that's easy to clean, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This cooker can handle 6 cups of cooked rice, which is great for smaller families or apartments. The one-switch operation simplifies cooking white or brown rice, making it super user-friendly. Plus, the removable pot is dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. With over 7,000 units sold recently, it's clear that this little cooker is making waves. Now, some users have pointed out that the capacity might be a bit small for larger gatherings. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly cooking for 1 or 2 people, this is more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space or need something simple to make basic rice dishes. Skip this one if you often cook for larger families or like to meal prep in bulk, as it may not meet those needs. Alright, that was a great budget option, but if you're interested in multi-functionality, the next product really shines in that department.
Product number 4, Instant Pot Duo. The Instant Pot Duo is not just a rice cooker. It's a 7-in-1 appliance that caught my attention immediately, especially with its versatile functions. At $89.99, it's a bit of an investment, but it replaces several appliances in your kitchen. If you want a multifunctional cooker that can do it all, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. Not only can it cook rice, but it also functions as a steamer, slow cooker, and yogurt maker. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, and it cooks meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. With customizable smart programs, you can tackle a wide variety of recipes with ease. Many users appreciate how fast and efficient it is, with over 7,000 units sold last month. Now, some people find it a bit bulky for their countertop. Here's the thing, if you're short on space, it might not be ideal, but if you're looking for versatility, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one cooker that can tackle a variety of meals. Skip this if you have a very small kitchen, as it does take up some space. Now, if the size of the Instant Pot is a concern, the last product on our list is compact yet quite capable.
Product number 5, Elite Gourmet Rice Cooker. The Elite Gourmet Rice Cooker is an economical choice at just $19.99. Its promise of hassle-free cooking caught my attention, especially for those just getting started. If you want a straightforward, no-fuss rice cooker, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you. It cooks up to 6 cups of rice, which is enough for small families or meal prepping. The automatic keep warm feature is a lifesaver for busy schedules, ensuring your rice stays warm until you're ready to eat. Users love the non-stick pot, which makes cleaning super easy, and with over 6,000 units sold last month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some users mentioned that it can be a bit basic and lacks advanced features. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for an affordable and easy way to make rice, this simplicity is a huge plus. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable rice cooker without all the extras. Skip this if you're looking for advanced cooking features, as this one is pretty straightforward. That wraps up the rice cookers. Each of these has its own strengths, whether it's versatility, budget, or simplicity.
We covered the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker for budget-friendly simplicity, the Kasori for versatility, the Green Life as a compact option, the Instant Pot Duo for multifunctionality, and the Elite Gourmet for straightforward cooking. Each one has something unique to offer, so choose the one that fits your cooking style best.